The Codex Atlanticus, a collection of sketches and writings produced by the Italian polymath Leonardo da Vinci between 1478 and 1519, contains a drawing of a machine that resembles today's bicycle. It shows all the necessary components of a bicycle: a frame, a handlebar, though it was only suitable for providing support, not for changing direction, wheels, and a chain drive. Unfortunately, there is no evidence that this bicycle was ever built, and it has even been suggested that the drawing is a forgery and was added to the Codex during its restoration in 1966. At the end of the 18th century, the Frenchman Comte de Sivrac built a two-wheeled vehicle without steering and introduced it at the Royal Palace in Paris. It consisted of two wheels in one line. The Comte had been regarded as the inventor of the bicycle for many years. However, it was later revealed that the Comte de Sivrac never actually existed, and that he was only a fictional character created by a French journalist in a piece of writing published in 1891. The German Baron Karl Friedrich Dreh von Sauerbrunn introduced his two-wheeled vehicle to the public in Mannheim on the 12th of June, 1817. The Laufmaschine was the first steerable, two-wheeled, human-powered vehicle. It became popular among the elites of Western Europe and the US, but it did not become widespread, as it was very uncomfortable due to the poor quality of contemporary roads. The first pedal bicycle was constructed around 1839 by Kirkpatrick Macmillan, a Scottish blacksmith. This bicycle was propelled by the horizontal reciprocating movement of the rider's feet on the pedals without touching the ground. In 1842, he rode the bicycle a total of over 200 kilometers from Caire to Glasgow and back. In 1861, French coach builder Pierre Michaud equipped the front wheel of his bicycle with cranks and pedals. The vehicle was named the Velocipede and became widespread due to the easy propelling method. The bicycle was gradually improved. After France lost the war against Prussia, the center of improvements moved to England. By the early 1870s, the penny farthing or high-wheeler bicycle had evolved. This type contains innovations from 1869: ball bearings, spoked wheels, solid rubber tires, and free-wheel mechanisms. Although the penny farthing was difficult to steer, it became highly popular. In 1885, John Kemp Starley launched the Rover Safety Bicycle. The chain drive, which connected a large front sprocket to a small rear sprocket to multiply the revolutions of the pedals, made it possible to have higher speed and smaller wheels. The invention of the pneumatic rubber tire by John Boyd Dunlop in 1888 provided both a softer ride because it absorbed shocks and greater speed because it reduced rolling resistance. The safety bicycle became popular in the industrialized world. The interwar period saw the heyday of the bicycle in Europe. The manufacture of tubes, the development of new metal alloys, and the gear switch, patented in 1895, made it possible to produce lighter, high-quality bicycles. In the first decade after World War II, the number of automobiles in Europe tripled, which caused a drop in bicycle sales. Since the 1970s, however, bicycles have regained their popularity, and new, improved special types have appeared.